Theory 1, the UFO paradigm theory. This theory is aliens were always living with us and traveling around the planet and between the planets all along. And due to the lockdown, only now we are beginning to see the UFO lights in the sky. And also due to the decrease in the carbon dioxide release, that is cutting down on the carbon footprint, the sky is more clearer than ever. And now, due to the clean and clear sky, we are beginning to see them very clearly. Okay, the theory 2 is UFO oracle theory. It is their warning about an upcoming event like an alien invasion, perhaps, usually during a certain time, just when before a natural disaster, there is a high chance of seeing an alien spacecraft. You can call it as an alien precognition or intuition of a disaster, and they are leaving from the current place and where the natural disaster or calamity would happen. Example like a cats and dogs can even sense an upcoming earthquake and they freak out early. And birds start to fly in groups when they're startled by something when the earthquake is coming. This is not the first time either. There are multiple accounts of UFO are seen before a natural disaster. So this is why UFO are seen more often in the sky now. Theory 3, the infected theory. The outbreak of an infection, the bacteria which affected them, and now they are sick and they are leaving the earth to get medical treatment for themselves in their home planet. Or the reverse is true. It is the affected theory. The UFO, the aliens are the one who planted the infection or the spread of virus among the humans, and they are watching the progress. How many people are still living, and just like how scientists experiments on rat and observe them, the aliens are observing us humans. Theory 4. It is free real estate theory. This theory is aliens might be observing us from the far remote planet, and due to the reduced people roaming around the planet, they are trying to move into the earth, thinking that the people of earth went extinct and thinking of settling in the planet earth. It's free real estate. The theory 5, Council of Nine. The Council of Nine is a conspiracy theory where there are advanced technological beings of races, and from those many races, 9 powerful races joined forces together to protect innocent living creatures of the Milky Way galaxy. Kind of like conservationists who protect endangered species, na? They protect us from real mean aliens, and they arrive to Earth to watch our current activity and are worried about us and want to look out what is happening to us. The theory 6, the OK Boomer theory. They are just largely just stars in the sky, and due to the lockdown, people are in the house having to do nothing, and they are looking in the sky for the first time, and they're currently, due to low pollution means clear sky, which means more stars and nearby planets are visible in the sky. And amateur sky viewers recording in a potato quality video phone, they are perplexed about the real nature's beauty, and now we know why and how ancients saw the sky and worshipped the stars and built structures around the celestial alignment. It is the pure, honest, awesomeness of cosmic beauty. And seeing for the first time people around the earth, people around the earth. Sorry if I hurt somebody's feelings. It is just a theory. Take it lightly. On to the next theory. Okay, theory 7, the mythological theory. They are actually interdimensional beings that are traveling around, and only a part of their frequency is seen in the sky, the glowing light. Maybe this is what ancient people saw, like devas or supposed glowing gods. Or from Christianity, it's an angel from the sky. I don't know if it is possible. What do you think? Just comment below. Thanks. The theory 8, the official government theory explanation. They are just police monitoring drone service, number one, and number two, or their personal official helicopter or private planes or jets making trips for medical supplies units moving from state to state in India, or it is just a military air balloon surveying the current weather or pollution. Number 4, it is just a Chinese lantern and some people let it those. Number 5, or it was just firecrackers. The theory 9, the rock shower theory. On April 17th and on March, there were asteroids flying past the Earth, and maybe they were the leftover meteorites or rocks, space rocks, and their meteorite strikes from those fragments of asteroid which are passing past flowing Earth, which are attracted due to gravity. It can be. Here is a news clip of that. The theory 10, the Bangalore 51 theory. Since many UFOs are seen in Bangalore, you have to wonder what is more significant in Bangalore than any other places. The headquarters of ISRO is in Bangalore. Maybe from Chandrayaan 2 crashed on the moon on September 7th of 2019, aliens want to contact the people of India, especially the headquarters of ISRO, and trying to contact with the people of Earth. So they are visiting the ISRO headquarters and just roaming around the places trying to contact humans. Or maybe they are already in contact, well contact, and just visiting around the nearby states and looking around the places. Like aliens, hey man, can I land here? And humans, I don't know dude, just park it across the sea. The theory 11, the quarantine theory. This theory is that aliens are living amongst us, and due to the deadly outbreak of the flu, aliens realize the consequences of this disease and they are just quarantining themselves from us in their spacecraft. Maybe. Theory 12, the Illuminati theory. It is a secret, unknown government mass hallucination experiment of second phase of attack of mass control after the first launch of infection attack. How many theories may exist? As there is a popular saying I want to say before leaving of Arthur C. Clarke. two possibilities exist. Either we are alone in the universe or we are not. Both are equally terrifying. Thank you for watching.